Festo Bionic Bee. The Bionic Bee is a small experimental flying robot developed by the Bionic Learning Network at Festo. It was designed to study how lightweight robotic systems can fly and coordinate in groups. The device measures about 22 centimeters in length with a wingspan of roughly 24 centimeters, and it weighs around 34 grams. Inside the body of the robot are miniature motors, communication electronics, and control components that manage the movement of the wings. These wings move at a frequency of approximately 15 to 20 Hz during flight. By adjusting the wing beat frequency, the system can change direction and perform controlled maneuvers. The robot is also built to operate as part of a coordinated swarm. Using ultra-wideband communication, multiple units can share position data and maintain stable spacing while flying together. This indoor localization system helps the robots navigate and avoid collisions. Projects like the Bionic Bee demonstrate how compact robotics, lightweight materials, and wireless coordination can be combined to explore new approaches to autonomous flight. EDAG City Bot. The EDAG City Bot is a compact electric vehicle concept designed for short-distance transportation in urban areas. Developed by EDAG Group, the vehicle focuses on flexible mobility and efficient city logistics. The City Bot has a top speed of about 12 miles per hour, making it suitable for controlled environments such as city centers, campuses, or delivery zones. One of its key features is a modular platform. The same base vehicle can be fitted with different modules depending on the task. It can be configured to carry 2 passengers for short urban trips or adapted for transporting small goods and deliveries. This approach allows a single vehicle platform to perform multiple roles in city infrastructure. Because it runs on electric power, the City Bot produces no direct emissions during operation. Although it is still a concept rather than a mass-produced vehicle, the design illustrates how modular electric transport systems could support cleaner and more organized urban mobility in the future. Romoto. The Romoto is a prototype travel trailer designed to expand its living space through a rotating structure. Developed with a focus on compact mobility and flexible design, the trailer uses a motorized mechanism that allows the inner cabin to rotate outward from the outer shell. When activated with a control button, the central section slides and pivots, creating a deck area and increasing the usable interior space by about 70%. This transformation turns a standard trailer layout into a more open living environment. The interior includes a small kitchen, a dining area, and a sleeping space designed for short-term travel or camping. Large windows provide natural light and outdoor views, while the rotating deck connects the interior space with the surrounding environment. The concept combines engineering and design to address a common limitation of travel trailers: limited interior space. By allowing the structure to expand at a campsite, the Romoto provides a more flexible layout while remaining compact during transport. Foil 1 Pegasus. The Foil 1 Pegasus is an electric hydrofoil watercraft designed to provide a quieter and more efficient experience on the water. It uses hydrofoil technology that lifts the hull above the surface as speed increases, which reduces drag and allows the craft to glide smoothly. This design also helps minimize weight and improves overall energy efficiency. The watercraft is powered by 2 5 kWh Torqeedo batteries that supply electric propulsion without producing direct emissions during operation. Under suitable conditions, the Pegasus can reach speeds of around 30 knots and operate for roughly 2 hours before requiring a recharge. Its structure uses lightweight carbon fiber components to reduce weight while maintaining strength. This helps improve maneuverability and stability when the hydrofoil system is active. The steering and control system is designed to allow precise handling, even at higher speeds. Charging the batteries typically takes less than 2 hours with compatible charging equipment. Overall, the Pegasus represents a modern approach to personal watercraft, combining electric propulsion with hydrofoil engineering to create a smooth and efficient ride on open water. KTM 390 Adventure R. The KTM 390 Adventure R is a small-capacity adventure motorcycle designed with a stronger focus on off-road riding. It is powered by a 399cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that produces around 44 horsepower and 39 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, providing smooth power delivery across different riding conditions. A key feature of the bike is its fully adjustable suspension system, offering about 230 millimeters of travel at both the front and rear. This setup helps the motorcycle handle uneven terrain more effectively. The 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel are fitted with off-road oriented tires, improving grip on trails and loose surfaces. The motorcycle uses a steel trellis frame that balances strength with relatively low weight. With a seat height of about 870 mm and ground clearance of 272 mm, it is built to handle obstacles commonly found on off-road routes. Braking is managed by a 320 mm front disc and a 240 mm rear disc with dual-channel ABS. Weighing around 165 kilograms and equipped with a 14-liter fuel tank, the 390 Adventure R is designed for both trail riding and longer journeys. Unitree Go 2. The Unitree Go 2 is a compact quadruped robot designed for mobility, sensing, and remote interaction. It uses Unitree's 4D Lidar L1 technology, which provides a wide 360 degrees by 90 degrees hemispherical field of recognition. This sensing system helps the robot detect obstacles and move through uneven or complex terrain with greater awareness. The robot supports several connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and 4G. Through a mobile application, users can control the device remotely and receive high-definition visual data from the robot. These features allow the Go 2 to be monitored and guided from a distance when needed. Battery performance is designed for practical use, with an operating time that typically ranges from about 2 to 4 hours depending on activity. The robot also includes an intelligent side follow system, ISS 2.0, which enables it to track and move alongside a person during operation. Software updates can be delivered online, allowing improvements and new functions to be added over time. Overall, the Unitree Go 2 reflects current progress in compact robotic mobility systems. Toyota SkyDrive SD03. Toyota SkyDrive SD03 is a compact electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle designed to explore the future of short-distance urban air mobility. The aircraft uses multiple electric rotors to lift off vertically, allowing it to operate in small spaces without the need for a traditional runway. Its lightweight carbon fiber structure helps reduce overall weight while maintaining structural strength. The vehicle is equipped with a computerized flight control system that assists with stability and maneuvering. This system helps the pilot maintain controlled flight during takeoff, hovering, and landing. Safety considerations include a reinforced cockpit structure and several redundant components intended to support safe operation during flight. In August 2020, SkyDrive conducted a public demonstration flight of the SD03 prototype in Toyota City, Japan. The test showed the aircraft lifting off, hovering, and landing within a controlled test area. The SD03 is part of a broader effort to develop small electric aircraft for urban transportation, where short air routes could potentially complement existing ground travel systems in the future. Monotrack Bike. A monotrack bike is a specialized vehicle designed to move along a single track while maintaining balance through controlled body movement. The system typically includes a two-wheel setup connected to a rigid frame that rides on a narrow track made from strong materials such as steel or aluminum. This structure keeps the bike stable while allowing it to move smoothly along the guided path. The rider stands or sits on the bike and controls direction mainly by shifting body weight and leaning. Similar to conventional motorcycles or bicycles, balance and momentum play an important role in maintaining stability during motion. Because the bike follows a defined track, steering mechanisms are usually minimal. Monotrack bikes are often discussed in experimental vehicle design and niche recreation. Their ability to travel along narrow routes makes them interesting for controlled environments, demonstration tracks, or specialized racing events. In off-road contexts, the design can help riders pass through tight or uneven paths where traditional vehicles might struggle. Overall, the monotrack bike represents a unique approach to personal transportation and mechanical balance. ACE VTOL Slipstream Elite. The ACE VTOL Slipstream Elite is a concept aircraft designed for urban air mobility. It is built to operate in dense city environments where traditional aircraft have limited access. The vehicle uses multiple arc-style propulsion units that allow it to take off and land vertically, removing the need for a runway. Its aerodynamic design supports stable movement in several directions, including forward, backward, and vertical flight. This flexibility allows the aircraft to land in compact spaces such as rooftops or small parking areas. Navigation is managed through an AI-assisted flight system that can be monitored remotely using a virtual reality interface. The aircraft is powered by 12 electric motors connected to a high-capacity battery system. Some proposed configurations also include hybrid support through hydrogen fuel cells to extend range. Safety is addressed through distributed electric propulsion, meaning the aircraft can remain stable even if one motor stops working. The structure is made from lightweight carbon fiber composites, improving efficiency while maintaining structural strength for regular urban operations. Cyclo-Tech Cruise Up. The Cyclo-Tech Cruise Up is a compact electric aircraft designed for short-distance personal air mobility. It is based on more than a decade of development in cyclorotor propulsion technology. Instead of traditional propellers, the aircraft uses 6 enclosed cyclorotors that generate thrust through rotating blades. This configuration allows the system to control the direction of thrust without tilting the entire aircraft. One of its key features is a 360-degree thrust vectoring capability. This enables the aircraft to move forward, sideways, or backward, and even perform controlled braking while airborne. Because the aircraft does not need to bank or tilt significantly during these maneuvers, it may offer stable handling in confined urban environments. The Cruise Up has a reported top speed of around 150 km per hour and an operational range of approximately 100 km. With 6 independent rotors, the design also introduces redundancy, meaning the aircraft can maintain controlled flight even if one rotor stops functioning. Overall, the concept focuses on efficient, electrically powered air travel for short urban and regional trips. The Lazzarini IFO is a conceptual electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft developed by the Lazzarini Design Studio and designed by Pier Paolo Lazzarini. The aircraft features a central carbon fiber capsule measuring approximately 6.6 feet in diameter, enclosed within a larger carbon fiber disc about 15 feet 5 inches wide. Integrated into the disc are 8 electric motors that enable vertical lift and forward movement. The projected top speed is around 120 miles per hour, with an estimated flight time of 60 to 70 minutes. Its hybrid electric system is intended to balance performance and energy efficiency. Passenger access is supported by 6 extendable landing suspensions equipped with a lifting mechanism that lowers the spherical cabin for boarding. At prepared landing sites, removable bridge platforms can also be used. Visually, the design draws inspiration from classic UFO imagery, combining a circular silhouette with modern aerospace engineering principles. At present, the IFO remains a concept, with development dependent on investment and further technical validation. It reflects ongoing exploration into compact hybrid electric aircraft for future urban air mobility. The Lucid Air is a full-size luxury electric sedan produced by Lucid Motors. It is positioned in the premium EV segment and competes with other high-end electric sedans in performance, range, and interior quality. For the 2024 model year, the Lucid Air lineup starts at approximately $71,400 in the United States. The entry-level Air Pure variant is rated for an estimated driving range of up to 410 miles, depending on configuration and wheel size. This places it among the longest-range electric sedans currently available. The vehicle emphasizes efficiency and performance through a compact electric powertrain design. Lucid develops its own motors, inverters, and battery systems, focusing on high energy density and thermal management. Higher trims deliver rapid acceleration, with dual and tri-motor configurations available in upper variants. Inside, the Lucid Air features a minimalist layout with digital displays, premium materials, and advanced driver assistance systems. Cabin space benefits from a long wheelbase and a packaging layout enabled by the electric platform. Lucid's engineering background includes experience in electric racing series such as Formula E, which has influenced its approach to power electronics and battery efficiency. However, the Lucid Air itself is a conventional road vehicle and does not have vertical takeoff or flying capability. Separate from Lucid's sedan, various companies have developed electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) prototypes intended for limited aviation use. These aircraft are distinct from production electric cars and operate under aviation regulatory frameworks rather than standard road vehicle approvals. ARC-UP 75. The Arcup 75 is a hybrid structure that combines elements of a boat, a floating house, and a waterfront villa. Designed for long-term living on the water, it measures approximately 75 feet in length and 32 feet in width. This provides around 4,350 square feet of total space, including about 2,700 square feet of interior living area. The upper roof is fitted with a solar panel system capable of generating roughly 36 kilowatts of power. These panels help supply electricity for onboard systems and support extended off-grid operation. The roof design also allows rainwater to be collected and stored, reducing reliance on external water sources. Inside, the layout includes 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, offering private space for residents and guests. Large windows and open living areas are intended to maximize natural light and views of the surrounding water. For stability, the structure uses 4 hydraulic legs that can lift the platform above the water surface. This system helps reduce movement from waves and improves safety during rough weather conditions. Candy Trail King E1500. The Candy Trail King E1500 is an electric minibike designed for short recreational rides and light off-road use. Its compact frame and simple electric drivetrain make it suitable for neighborhood paths, trails, and open spaces where small electric vehicles are allowed. The bike features a durable frame finished in silver and powered by a quiet electric motor. Because it runs on electricity rather than gasoline, it produces minimal noise and no direct exhaust emissions during operation. Riders recharge the battery through a standard charging connection, making it relatively easy to use between rides. For comfort and control, the Trail King E1500 includes a suspension system that helps absorb bumps on uneven surfaces. Disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, which is important when riding on trails or paved paths. This minibike is generally intended for riders aged 16 and older. In the United States, it is typically listed at a price close to $999, positioning it as an entry-level electric minibike for casual recreational riding. Product name: Jetpack Aviation Speeder. The Speeder, developed by Jetpack Aviation, is a groundbreaking engineering achievement with the potential to revolutionize personal transportation. Recognized as the world's first flying motorcycle, this futuristic, motorcycle-inspired vehicle delivers extraordinary performance powered by 8 compact jet engines. With an exceptional size-to-payload ratio, the Speeder weighs approximately 300 pounds yet can carry up to 600 pounds of cargo, an impressive feat of design and efficiency. Currently undergoing rigorous testing, the aircraft is expected to receive FAA certification in the near future. It is not just a concept or vision of tomorrow, but a fully operational prototype demonstrating real-world capability. Its performance is nothing short of astonishing. The civilian version can cruise at 60 miles per hour for nearly 30 minutes, while a military-grade unmanned variant can reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour at an altitude of 100 feet, making it significantly less vulnerable to ground fire. With a starting price of $381,000, this remarkable innovation is now available for pre-order directly through Jetpack Aviation. CMC Illuna Motorhome. The CMC Illuna motorhome is produced by the Italian company CMC Caravan and is designed to provide a comfortable living space for long-distance travel. The vehicle focuses on practicality, interior space, and durable construction rather than excessive styling. Inside, the motorhome features a well-organized layout with quality materials and functional storage. One of its key design elements is a slide-out section that extends outward when parked, increasing the usable interior space and improving movement inside the cabin. The kitchen area is designed for full-time travel use. It includes a solid countertop surface, built-in storage, and standard stainless steel appliances commonly found in modern motorhomes. The sleeping area is located in a separate section and includes a queen-size bed intended for extended stays. The bathroom is designed with 2 separate zones for the shower and toilet, which helps maintain convenience during longer trips. Overall, the CMC Illuna is built for travelers who require space, comfort, and practical amenities in a premium motorhome platform. Hyundai Mobed. Hyundai Mobed is a robotic mobility platform developed by the Robotics Lab of Hyundai Motor Group. The name stands for Mobile Eccentric Droid. It is designed to move through complex indoor and outdoor environments while carrying different types of equipment. The platform uses an eccentric wheel mechanism that allows each wheel module to independently control driving, steering, and lifting. This system enables the robot to adjust its height and posture in real time, helping it maintain stability on uneven surfaces or when transporting objects. Mobed also integrates sensors such as lidar and cameras to analyze its surroundings. Using these sensors, the robot can map environments, detect obstacles, and plan movement paths with minimal human input. Two versions are available. Mobed Pro supports autonomous navigation in a follow-me mode, while Mobed Basic is intended mainly for research and custom development. Its modular design allows different attachments, including equipment for logistics, delivery tasks, or filming systems, making it a flexible platform for robotics testing and practical applications. Lamborghini V12 Vision Gran Turismo. Lamborghini introduced the V12 Vision Gran Turismo as a single-seat concept developed for the Gran Turismo racing game series. The vehicle combines experimental design with the hybrid powertrain used in the limited production Lamborghini Sián. The exterior presents an aggressive, futuristic form. The body structure appears visually separated from the wheel arches, emphasizing a lightweight, exposed frame aesthetic. The driver accesses the cockpit from the front through a forward-opening canopy. The layout centers entirely around one seat, reinforcing its focus on a virtual racing environment rather than conventional road use. At the rear, the car features 6 exhaust outlets integrated into a sharply sculpted diffuser area. A narrow, full-width tail light spans the back of the vehicle and visually connects with a large rear wing, contributing to both aerodynamic function and distinctive styling. The overall lighting signature and sharp surfacing reflect design themes explored in earlier Lamborghini concept studies. Power comes from a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine paired with a hybrid system that incorporates a supercapacitor for energy storage. This configuration, shared with the Lamborghini Sián, delivers a combined output of approximately 774 horsepower. The use of a supercapacitor instead of a traditional lithium-ion battery allows for rapid energy discharge and recharge cycles. The V12 Vision Gran Turismo was unveiled in 2019 in connection with the FIA-certified Gran Turismo Championships, serving as a digital showcase of Lamborghini's design direction in hybrid performance technology. Moon Bikes is a fully electric snowbike designed as an alternative to traditional gasoline-powered snowmobiles. Developed and manufactured in the French Alps, it focuses on reducing noise and eliminating direct emissions while operating in snowy environments. The vehicle uses an electric propulsion system that delivers a top speed of approximately 26 miles per hour. An optional extended battery pack increases range for longer rides. Weighing around 192 pounds, the snowbike is significantly lighter than most conventional snowmobiles, which typically weigh several hundred pounds. Its lower weight contributes to easier handling, storage, and transport. The design emphasizes balance and stability. A low center of gravity and compact frame aim to provide controlled maneuvering over packed snow and moderate powder conditions. The riding experience is intended to feel closer to that of a lightweight motorcycle adapted for winter terrain rather than a large utility snowmobile. Moon Bikes can be customized with a selection of accessories, and it is available in multiple color options. The product is positioned for recreational winter use, offering a quieter and more compact electric alternative within the snow transport category. The Moli Robotic Kitchen is an automated cooking system designed to replicate human kitchen tasks using robotic arms, integrated appliances, and digital controls. It combines hardware and software to prepare meals with minimal manual involvement. At the core of the system are 2 robotic arms installed above a standard cooktop and workspace. These arms are programmed to reproduce the movements of professional chefs. Using motion capture technology, including 3D imaging and sensor-equipped gloves, the actions of a chef are recorded, digitized, and stored in a recipe database. The system then replays those movements to prepare the selected dish. Users interact with the kitchen through a touchscreen interface. From there, they can choose recipes, adjust portion sizes, and manage dietary preferences. The software provides access to a growing library of recorded recipes, covering a range of international cuisines. It also offers nutritional information, including calorie estimates, based on the selected dish and ingredients. The kitchen integrates with storage systems to monitor ingredient availability. It can notify users when supplies are low and suggest meals based on available items. Over time, the system can adapt recommendations based on user preferences and cooking history. In addition to food preparation, the robotic arms are designed to clean the cooking area after use, including wiping surfaces and organizing utensils within the designated workspace. The Moli robotic kitchen represents an attempt to automate complex domestic tasks by combining robotics, artificial intelligence, and culinary expertise into a single residential system. The 2015 Princess 56 is a flybridge motor yacht designed to balance performance with onboard comfort. Built with a lightweight GRP hull, it delivers efficient handling and stable cruising in a range of sea conditions. Power comes from twin Volvo Penta diesel engines. The yacht is capable of reaching speeds of approximately 32 knots, with a comfortable cruising speed around 24 knots, depending on load and conditions. The hull design supports both performance and fuel efficiency for extended coastal passages. On board, the layout emphasizes functional living space. The flybridge provides an open social area suited for outdoor dining and relaxation. The main deck includes a bright saloon and a well-equipped galley positioned to serve both interior and exterior seating areas, making it practical for hosting guests. Below deck, the yacht features 3 cabins accommodating up to 6 guests. The full beam owner's cabin offers increased headroom and storage, while the forward VIP cabin and twin guest cabin provide additional sleeping space. 2 bathrooms serve the accommodation areas. Market pricing varies based on condition, engine hours, equipment specification, and location, but vessels of this model year typically trade in the multi-million-dollar range. Heavy snowfall regions require equipment that can clear large volumes of snow efficiently and consistently. In northern areas such as Hokkaido, annual snowfall can reach extreme levels. Similar conditions are found in parts of Siberia and Alaska, where prolonged cold and steady moisture result in significant snow accumulation. In these environments, snow removal is a necessary part of maintaining transportation and operations. The Overosen as UTV-175 is a heavy-duty snowblower attachment designed for high-capacity clearing. It creates a clearing path approximately 8 feet 9 inches wide and just over 4 feet high, allowing it to handle deep and compacted snow. At the front of the unit, a wide auger collects snow evenly across the intake width. The auger moves the snow toward the center of the machine, where a high-speed impeller accelerates it into the discharge system. This 2-stage process ensures continuous material flow and reduces the risk of clogging, even when snow density varies. The system is capable of processing up to approximately 1,350 US tons of snow per hour under optimal conditions. Performance depends on factors such as snow type, moisture content, and operating speed. Operator control is a key aspect of the design. Snow can be discharged to either side or directed through a rotating chute. A triple flap outlet allows adjustment of the throw pattern and trajectory. In addition, the impeller housing can be angled up to 45 degrees to the left or 60 degrees to the right, enabling more precise snow placement along roads, runways, or confined areas. Overall, the UTV-175 is engineered to provide consistent snow removal performance in regions where winter conditions demand reliable, high-capacity equipment. Scorpion 3 Hoverbike. The Scorpion 3 is an electric hoverbike that merges elements of a traditional motorcycle with quadcopter flight technology. Structurally, it resembles a bike, but lift is generated by 4 rotors positioned around the frame, enabling vertical takeoff and landing. The vehicle is designed to carry a single rider with a maximum payload of 104 kilograms, or 229 pounds. It can reach speeds of up to 43 miles per hour. Operational range is approximately 13 miles under standard conditions. In flight, the Scorpion 3 can climb to an altitude of around 33 feet. Flight duration varies between 15 and 40 minutes, depending on rider weight and operating conditions. The battery system requires roughly 3 hours for a full recharge. A modular battery design allows for rapid swapping, which can reduce downtime to about 1 minute when a charged unit is available. Rather than being a conceptual prototype, the Scorpion 3 has undergone flight testing and is presented as a functional quadcopter-based personal transport platform.
Product name: Sea Breacher. The Sea Breacher is an innovative hybrid that blends the thrill of jet skiing with the excitement of mini submarining. This semi-submersible watercraft is designed to transform the way we experience and explore the sea. Powered by a 4-stroke, 1,500cc supercharged Rotax Ace engine developed by Ace Productions, it can be tuned between 230 and 300 horsepower to deliver enhanced performance and exhilarating speed. Built for agility and excitement, this dynamic vessel is capable of performing impressive acrobatic maneuvers, including 360-degree barrel rolls. It can briefly dive to depths of 5 to 6 feet and even launch itself out of the water, creating a truly unforgettable ride. Its aerodynamic, streamlined body weighs approximately 1,450 pounds and measures between 190 and 200 inches in length, with a width of about 42 inches. Sea Breachers are available in a variety of models, each offering distinctive customization options. Popular examples include the Shark-inspired X model, the Orca-like Y model, and the Dolphin-inspired Z model. Prices start at around $85,000 and can exceed $100,000, depending on the selected specifications and custom features.
Surla Houseboats is a Netherlands-based company founded in 2020 by Robert Jan Merle. The company develops residential houseboats designed for long-term living, with a focus on energy independence and reduced environmental impact. The first Surla houseboat launched in 2020, marking the beginning of the company's approach to off-grid living. Each unit is built by hand and constructed with attention to material efficiency and durability. The design prioritizes self-sufficiency, allowing the houseboats to operate without permanent connections to traditional utility networks. To reduce environmental impact, Surla integrates recycled materials where possible, including insulation made from repurposed PET bottles. The boats are equipped with onboard filtration systems that treat and manage water, minimizing reliance on external supply and storage systems. Energy systems are designed to support autonomous operation, enabling residents to live independently from standard infrastructure. In terms of layout, Surla houseboats emphasize open interior space and functional design. Large windows, efficient floor plans, and modern finishes are used to create a comfortable residential environment suited for year-round habitation. Surla houseboats represents a contemporary approach to floating homes, combining off-grid technology with practical residential design. The Hexa aircraft is an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle developed by Lift Aircraft. It is designed as a single-seat ultralight aircraft intended for personal flight without requiring a traditional pilot's license under certain regulatory categories. The aircraft uses 18 independent electric motors arranged in 6 evenly spaced sections around the pilot. Each propeller is controlled by adjusting individual motor speeds, allowing the system to manage lift, balance, and directional movement electronically. This distributed propulsion design also creates an open structure around the cockpit, providing the occupant with wide, unobstructed visibility. Hexa is built with amphibious capability, enabling it to take off and land on both solid ground and calm water surfaces. Flight control is managed through a simplified interface that includes a single joystick supported by a triple redundant flight computer system. The onboard system assists with stabilization and core flight functions, reducing pilot workload. On a full battery charge, the aircraft can operate for approximately 15 minutes, with an estimated range of about 40 miles, 64 kilometers, depending on flight conditions and usage. The Tucker Snowcat is a purpose-built over snow vehicle designed for transportation and utility work in extreme winter conditions. Its defining feature is a 4-track system with articulated steering, which distributes weight across a wide surface area. This configuration improves traction and stability on deep snow while reducing ground pressure, allowing the vehicle to travel over soft or uneven terrain with minimal surface disturbance. The articulated design enables controlled maneuvering on slopes and in confined areas, making it suitable for operations where conventional wheeled vehicles cannot function reliably. Tucker manufactures the Snowcat in multiple configurations, ranging from compact 2-passenger models to larger variants capable of carrying up to 15 occupants, depending on layout and equipment. Common applications include snow trail grooming, agricultural support in snow-covered regions, and the transport of personnel, supplies, and equipment to remote locations during winter months. Specifications vary by model, but the entry-level 2000 Extra Light version is equipped with an engine producing approximately 130 horsepower. Pricing depends on configuration, selected features, and optional equipment. The base price for a new 2000 Extra Light model begins at around $125,000, with higher costs associated with additional customization and larger models. The Vario Signature 1200 is a high-end motorhome built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros truck chassis. Measuring approximately 12 meters in length and weighing around 26 tons, it is engineered as a large, fully integrated vehicle intended for extended travel. A defining feature of the Signature 1200 is its integrated rear garage. The storage compartment is designed to accommodate a compact passenger vehicle, including sports cars comparable in size to a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, depending on configuration and weight limits. Inside, the motorhome is arranged to support long-term occupancy for up to 6 people. The layout typically includes a separate living area, a fully equipped kitchen, a bathroom, and a private sleeping space. The kitchen is fitted with residential-style appliances such as a refrigerator, stove, oven, and dishwasher. The bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and sink. The bedroom features a queen-sized bed and built-in wardrobe storage. Materials and finishes are selected to reflect a premium segment, with emphasis on space efficiency and functional design. The base price of the Vario Signature 1200 starts at approximately $922,000, with final cost varying depending on customization and selected options. The Tinga Proda is a body-on-frame all-terrain vehicle designed for off-road use in demanding environments. Its construction emphasizes durability and balanced weight distribution, contributing to stable handling across uneven terrain. Introduced in 2023 by a Russian manufacturer, the Tinga Proda is built for practical applications such as hunting, fishing, and fieldwork, including infrastructure inspections. With a ground clearance of 500 mm, it is engineered to navigate obstacles like rocks, mud, and snow more effectively than standard utility vehicles. The vehicle has a stated top speed of 50 km per hour, reflecting its focus on controlled off-road mobility rather than highway performance. The model has drawn interest beyond its domestic market, including attention from Australia. With a listed price of $660,000, it targets buyers seeking a specialized off-road platform for professional or recreational use. Overall, the Tinga Proda positions itself as a purpose-built solution for users who require dependable performance in challenging terrain. The Manta AN2 is a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for short-range regional transport and special mission use. It combines conventional fixed-wing flight with vertical lift capability, allowing it to operate from confined areas as well as short runways. The aircraft has a tandem two-seat configuration and is built primarily from carbon composite materials to reduce weight and improve structural efficiency. Its aerodynamic layout includes a V-tail and forward canard surfaces, intended to enhance stability and overall flight performance. Propulsion is provided by 8 electric ducted fans, 4 fixed and 4 tilting units. This arrangement supports both vertical takeoff and landing and conventional forward flight. The hybrid power system integrates onboard generators with battery storage, and it is designed to operate using sustainable aviation fuel for the combustion component. In cruise configuration, the aircraft is projected to reach speeds of up to 300 km per hour, with a maximum range of approximately 1,000 km under specified operating conditions. Flight control is managed through a fly-by-wire system, supported by a head-down display interface. For emergency scenarios, the aircraft is equipped with a ballistic parachute system intended to enhance occupant safety. The airframe is designed with modularity in mind, allowing relatively straightforward assembly, disassembly, and transport. This flexibility supports maintenance logistics and potential deployment to remote locations. The Manta AN2 is positioned for applications such as medical evacuation, search and rescue operations, and short-distance regional mobility, where the ability to operate from limited infrastructure may offer operational advantages. Swedish company Candela has introduced the P12, an electric passenger ferry that uses hydrofoil technology to reduce drag and energy consumption. The vessel is designed to lift above the water on 3 carbon fiber wings once it reaches takeoff speed, allowing it to travel more efficiently than conventional boats. The ferry is powered by 2 C-Pod electric drive units. During testing, the P12 prototype reached its maximum speed of about 30 knots, accelerating from a takeoff speed of around 16 knots. A sensor-based control system automatically adjusts the hydrofoil angles to maintain balance and provide a smoother ride in changing water conditions. The vessel measures 11.99 meters in length with a beam of 4.5 meters. The shuttle configuration can carry up to 30 seated passengers and includes an automatic bow ramp designed to align with different dock heights. Space is also available for bicycles, strollers, and wheelchairs. Candela has started series production, and the ferry is expected to enter Stockholm's public transport network to improve travel times on certain routes.